Welcome. Today's lessons is going to be there is and there are. What is there is and there are? They are used to refer to the existing or something or someone. For example, there is a book. There are shoes, to refer exactly where they are or to point out if they are there or if they aren't there. Okay? Now, let's see the structure. To point out that one thing is in some place we use there is, and when there are more than one thing we use there are. For example, there is a computer and there are some DVDs. In this case, how you can see in the structure, they are put together. There's a computer and there are some DVDs. In the case of there is, you can put together the one word, there's. And in the case of there are, you can do that. You have to put it into separate words. There are. As you can see here, we put in one word is and not. Isn't and are and not in one word. Aren't. Okay? There isn't a TV. There aren't pets. Now, how can we use this in a question? How we transform them, okay? In this case, we put first the verb to be is there a TV? To ask, is there something actually there? Is there a TV? Yes, there is. Or no, there isn't. And in the case where there are, we use or we transform it in are there beds? No, there aren't. Or yes, there are. Now, let's see some examples. As you can see here in the image, there is only one thing and there are more than one thing. Now, there is a book. There are books. There isn't a book. There aren't any books. Okay? I think it's pretty easy for you to learn. If not, try to check again the structure. Now, it's time for a fun activity. In this case, you are going to write is or are depending if we're talking about one thing or two things. Okay? Try to read very carefully all the sentences that we have here and try to answer them. Maybe try to pause the video and fill out all of the sentences that we have here, because in a few seconds I'm going to show you the answer for this activity so you can compare of what you wrote. Okay? Now, it's time for you to practice. Good luck! Now, how did you do? Let's find out. Here are the answers for the activity. Try to check out what was your mistake if you have one. If not, good for you. If you had a mistake, try to rewatch the video and find out exactly what went wrong and check out very carefully. So, that was all for today's lesson. Try to rewatch the video if you have the opportunity or find some other exercise online for you to practice. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!